Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your banquet hall business. So if you're also running a banquet hall and receive a lot of queries from your customer regarding booking, availability and pricing of the banquet hall, and replying to these queries manually is so time consuming. So I have brought the solution for this problem by creating a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a customer will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for banquet hall business. So this chatbot is going to lead capture 24/7, collect inquiries even after office hours, and instant availability check, that is date, time and hall capacity, and decor packages also. And this chatbot is going to share videos and photos for the banquet hall. So let's start creating your own WhatsApp chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow. But firstly, I am going to show you how a chatbot exactly works. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. Here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. And that number is saved as XYZ Banquet Hall. Here I am going to send a message that is hello. As I am sending a message hello, I am getting an automated welcome message that is hello, welcome to XYZ Banquets, where celebration become unforgettable. I am your virtual assistant here to help you with, and here we are getting 3 buttons, that is check availability, view packages and contact support. So now let's click on our first button, that is check availability, and see what will happen further. As I'm selecting check availability, it is asking me to enter the event date I have in my mind. So now I am going to enter the event date. Here I have entered a date, and as I'm entering the date, I am getting an automated message that hall is available, and here I am getting 2 buttons, that is schedule a visit and view packages. So now let's select schedule a visit here. As I'm selecting schedule a visit, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter the details, that is full name, preferred date for visit and contact number. So now let's enter these details here. Here you can see as I have entered name, date and contact number, I am getting a thank you message, that is thank you, your visit has been scheduled. Now let's enroll to another button, that is view packages, and see what will happen further. As I'm selecting view packages, I am getting a message which consists of a list. So now let's open this list and see the packages. Here in this list, I am getting some packages, that is silver package, gold package and platinum package. So now I am going to select silver package here. Here as I'm selecting silver package, I am getting image of this banquet hall, and here I am getting a button that is schedule a visit. So now let's see our last button, that is contact support. As I'm selecting contact support, I am getting a contact number from which I can contact the XYZ banquet hall. So you can also do this by using Pabbly Chatflow. For accessing Pabbly Chatflow, you have to type its URL, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting 2 buttons, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can just click on sign in. But as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pabbly. You can use any app according to you. Now for creating a chatbot, we just need to access Pabbly Chatflow app, and on this Pabbly Chatflow app, here we are getting 2 buttons, that is access now and learn more. For accessing Pabbly Chatflow, we just have to click on access now. Once you will click on access now, you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see this is the WhatsApp number I have connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number, and in this add WhatsApp number button, we are getting 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can just click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. Now moving on further, here you can see we are getting the option for create a new folder. So if you want to create your own folder, you can click here. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. So now I am going to give you an overview of these features. So the first one we are getting is inbox. So inbox is the section where we receive messages from our customer and we send them automated replies. Now the another one we are getting is contacts. You can manage your contact list here. Now the next one we are getting is team queues. You can manage your team access for managing the chatbot by using team queues feature. Now the next one we are getting is templates. If you want to create your own template, you can click on template feature. Now the another one we are getting is flows. So this one is the most important feature we have to go through. Now the next one we are getting is AI assistant. You can create or add your own AI assistant from here. Now the another one we are getting is settings. You can manage your settings according to you here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can click here. If you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. So now let's start our work, that is creating a WhatsApp chatbot. For that we have to access flows. So just click on flows. Once you will click on flows, you will get this flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. You can also add your own flow. For that, you just have to click on add flow button. Once you will click on add flow button, you will get this flow page, and here you can see we are getting the flow start node. If you want to provide a name to your flow, you can just provide it here. Here I have provided the name WhatsApp chatbot for Banquet Hall business. You can provide name according to you. Now moving on to the flow start node, it is asking me to enter keywords. So you might be wondering what are keywords. So keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter. Now further we are getting the option for entering regex. So regex are basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for a specific user input. But if you want to trigger any message, you can enter regex like this. Now the next one we are getting is to choose template. If you want to provide a template to your customer, then you can select a template from here. Now if a user sends me a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that I am going to drag and drop, and here I am going to select text plus button for entering a message. So just select it and enter the message you want to send to your customer. Here you can see I have entered a welcome message for my customer, and I have entered this XYZ Banquets under asterisk signs to make it bold. Now I am going to create some buttons. For that I will just click on add button and enter the text of my first button. Here I have created my first button, that is check availability. We can create more buttons like this. So just click on add button and enter the text of your second button. The second button I have created is view packages. Now I am going to create my third buttons likewise. Here you can see I have entered a welcome message for my customer and created 3 buttons. Now if the user clicks on check availability, I want to ask them about their event date. For that I will just go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for ask question. Once you will click on ask question, this question node will appear, and here you can enter the message or the question you want to ask from your customer. So now let's connect this check availability button with this question node. Now here I am going to enter the message. Here you can see I have entered a message asking for the event date. It is asking me to select contact custom fields. Here you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me. You can also create your own contact custom fields. For that you just have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. So click here and create your own contact custom fields, and here I am going to select contact custom field as date. Now let's select the format as date here. As we have selected date, it is asking me to enter the number. These are the number of attempt you are providing to your customer, and here I am going to provide the number of attempt as 1. Now if the user provides me the event date, I am going to send a message to them. For that I will just drag and drop, and here I am going to select text plus button for entering the message. You can see I have provided a confirmation message to my customer that hall is available. Now I am going to create a button. For that I will just click on add button and enter the text of my button, that is schedule a visit. You can see I have created a button, that is schedule a visit. You can create more buttons likewise. Now if the user selects schedule a visit, I want to ask them about their details. For that I will just go to actions, and here we are getting the option for the ask question. Now here as we have clicked on ask question, we have got this question node. Now I am going to enter the message asking for the details to my customer. Here you can see I have entered a message asking for the name, preferred date and contact number. Now I am going to select contact custom field as details here, and the format would be any. Now if the user provide me these details, then I want to send them a confirmation message that their visit has been scheduled. For that I will just drag and drop, and here I am going to select text plus button for entering the message and provide view packages option to our customer. For that I am going to create a list. So just drag and drop, and here we are getting the option for the list. So just select it. Once we have selected the option for the list, here in this message note it is asking me to enter the header, body and footer for the list. So now I am going to enter a body for my list. Here I have provided a body for my list. Now I am going to add items to my list. For that I will just click on add section, and once I will click on add section, it is asking me to enter the section title. So now let's enter the section title here. Here I have provided the section title as packages. Now I am going to add items to my list. For that I have to click on add items, and here it is asking me to enter the title of the item. That is our first package, that is silver package. So now let's enter the name here and enter the description of that package in this description section. Here you can see I have entered the first item of my list and provided its details on this description box. Now I am going to add more packages like this on my list. So here you can see I have created even my second item. You can add more items like this to your list. Now I am going to add more items to my list. So here you can see I have provided 3 packages in this list. You can add more packages according to you here. Now if the user selects silver package, I want to send them image of the banquet hall having silver package. So now let's drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for media. By selecting media, you can provide any type of media such as image, audio, video, etc. to your customer. So as we have have selected media, this message node has appeared. Now I am going to select media type as image here, as I am sending image to my customer, and here it is asking me to enter or paste the URL of the image or drag or drop the file here. So now let's drag a file here. So here you can see I am having an image named Banquet Hall. Now I am going to select it. So as I have selected this image, I have already got the URL. Now let's provide a caption to our image, and that is Banquet Hall. Now I am going to add a button here. For that I will just click on add button and enter the text of my button, that is schedule a visit. So now I am going to connect the schedule a visit button with this question node, as we have to ask the same question and provide the same message to our customer for scheduling a visit. For that I will just drag and drop, and here I am going to select text plus button for entering the message. Here in this message node I have provided the contact details of this XYZ Banquet Hall. So here you can see we have successfully created a flow for the chatbot. You can also create a flow like this for your chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for saving this flow, we just have to click on save. Once you will click on save button, you will get this pop-up that is flow updated successfully, means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving messages from our customer and how our automated replies are sent to them, let me take you towards my inbox section. For that you will have to click on inbox. Here you can see inbox section has appeared, and these are the numbers I have connected to my account. We have successfully received the message from our customer and we have sent the automated replies, and this is following the path which we have created through our flow. That is, firstly we are sending them the automated reply, and if the user select check availability, then we are asking for the event date. So here you can see we have successfully created a chatbot for our Banquet Hall business by using Pabbly Chatflow. So you can also use Pabbly Chatflow for creating your own chatbot for your business. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video. You can create multiple chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any price related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So go and create your WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.